Reimagine. How can we as designers, planners, and architects help envision an inclusive and equitable future for streets and public spaces? How do we define building back better when a vast range of culture, people, and values exists across U.S. cities?
New York City. The New York City subway's modification for coronavirus is not the most attention-catching now. However, adding an attractive color-coded system that clearly shows people where to stand or avoid, and adding hand sanitizers and protective screens will help raise people's awareness of public safety. Little Italy. Vacant lots will be used for temporary programs like live performances in local markets. Dividers will be designed to incorporate outdoor seating that is accessible to all. Roads are already closing for pedestrians and bicycles, and this will expand and remain permanent to accommodate walking and resting under all weather conditions. Ann Arbor, Michigan. With car density decreasing due to coronavirus and businesses subsequently utilizing the streets to their advantage, the city implemented a Healthy Streets initiative. Cones were added to create a bike lane during the week, and on the weekends, the shutdown of some streets allowed the introduction of street art to bring back liveliness. Art, so often hidden in private galleries, and movies, which take place in ticketed theaters, can now be introduced to a broader public for their appreciation. The increased size of public spaces for pedestrians should be used to such an advantage. Birmingham, Alabama. Designers and cities can work together to create ample urban conditions for its citizens during the coronavirus pandemic by reimagining alleyways or sidewalks to create safe and open outdoor spaces. While the design interventions and distancing rules can only go so far in a city, it is up to individuals themselves to follow suit and make their neighborhoods as safe as possible. New Jersey Meadowlands. After the virus ends, millions will become used to and even prefer work from home. Employers downsize offices. Fewer people commute by car. Our now overbuilt highways and airports will be restored to nature. Now, thousands of vacant offices and buildings will be too expensive and energy inefficient. Abandoned towers, malls, airports, and arenas will become ruins, a modern acropolis. Instead of flying to Europe, eco-friendly tourists visit this new Museum to American Civilization. Demolished highways and buildings in flood zones will become landfill. The sedimentary layers in these landfill mountains will be a geological history of American civilization in the Anthropocene. As we reimagine the future of cities, we need to consider if these changes go far enough or if deeper structural changes are needed too. Who is included in this vision of the city? Who is left out of it?